Welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday morning, August 21st, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of legal news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
National Family Justice CEO Teresa Sneed to lead critical discussion on family court reform. National Family Justice CEO Teresa Sneed, a leader in trauma-informed reform, will lead a critical discussion on family court reform. The virtual event, hosted by the Truth and Democracy Coalition on September 7, 2025, will address the impact of family courts on children, parents, and constitutional rights. Topics include ensuring justice in family courts, necessary protections for families, and systemic failures that perpetuate coercion and legal abuse. Sneed, author of Lance's Law, advocates for real reforms to support families. National Family Justice is actively involved in transforming family courts by filing amicus briefs, providing resources, and collaborating on reform initiatives nationwide. Join the free event on Zoom to learn more about advocating for justice and fairness in family courts. Will Ferguson and Associates renews New Mexico United sponsorship, continues support for El Dorado High School boys soccer. Will Ferguson and Associates has renewed its sponsorship with New Mexico United for the 2025 season, showing continued support for professional and youth soccer in the state. The Albuquerque-based law firm will sponsor yellow cards, red cards, and halftime highlights throughout the season, as well as present halftime t-shirt tosses during home matches at Rio Grande Credit Union Field at Isotopes Park. They are also extending their gold sponsorship of the El Dorado High School boys soccer program for a second year, emphasizing their dedication to local athletics and youth development. Managing partner Will Ferguson believes in the importance of teamwork, perseverance, and community pride on and off the field. For more information about Will Ferguson and Associates and their legal services, visit fergusonlaw.com. Con Maciel Carey expands its labor and employment and litigation practices with the addition of Kimberly Cole in its California offices. Con Maciel Carey LLP, a national boutique labor and employment and OSHA MSHA workplace safety law firm, has welcomed Kimberly Cole as a senior counsel in its Los Angeles and San Francisco offices. With over 2 decades of experience in California employment law, Kimberly will support the firm's national labor and employment and litigation practices. She has successfully represented clients in wage and hour disputes, discrimination, retaliation, and whistleblower claims. Kimberly's expertise in California labor and employment law will be a valuable asset to the team and clients in the region. Con Maciel Carey LLP is known for its strategic guidance and creative solutions in workplace challenges, delivering cost-saving services with a lean staffing approach. For more information, visit w.conmaciel.com.
Minnesota Court of Appeals allows public housing residents' civil rights case against the City of Minneapolis and the Minneapolis Public Housing Authority to move forward. On August 18, 2025, the Minnesota Court of Appeals allowed a civil rights case against the City of Minneapolis and the Minneapolis Public Housing Authority to proceed. The court ruled that the city and MPHA are not immune from the residents' claims, which allege a failure to provide necessary services and quality housing. The lawsuit, led by residents Kimberly Lowry and Jean Harris, accuses the city of violating the Minnesota Human Rights Act by neglecting inspections of public housing. The court's opinion emphasized the importance of holding the city and MPHA accountable for alleged failures in licensing and inspections, ensuring public housing residents receive the same services as private renters. This decision marks a significant step forward for the case, allowing residents to seek justice for long-standing grievances.
Solomon Dwiggins Freer and Stedman launches new website to elevate client experience in estate and trust law. Solomon Dwiggins Freer and Stedman, Ltd., a boutique law firm specializing in estate and trust law, has launched a newly redesigned website, sdfnvlaw.com. The site features a user-friendly interface showcasing the firm's experienced attorneys and full suite of practice areas. Visitors can explore services such as probate, trust administration, estate and tax planning, and more. The website also highlights the firm's core values and client testimonials, emphasizing its reputation for excellence and sophistication. With detailed attorney profiles and a proven track record, the site aims to provide valuable resources for prospective clients seeking consultation. Founded in 2005 and based in Las Vegas, Solomon Dwiggins Freer and Stedman is known for its personalized approach to handling complex estate and trust matters in Nevada.
Angian Group named to the Inc. 5000 list for the fourth time. Angian Group, a leading provider of settlement administration services, has been named to the Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies for the fourth time. CEO Stephen Weisbrot expressed pride in the team's talent and dedication. Inca magazine ranked Angian at 1489, highlighting its steady growth. Since 2013, Angian Group has been known for delivering high-quality solutions for class action and mass tort cases. The company's commitment to innovation and client satisfaction has earned them a strong reputation in the legal community.
Protect your loved ones by learning the truth about estate planning. Despite 83% of Americans recognizing the importance of estate planning, only 31% actually have a will, leaving loved ones vulnerable to legal delays and unnecessary stress. To address this gap, the American Heart Association is hosting a free webinar during National Make-A-Will Month. Participants will gain insight into common estate planning myths and practical knowledge to secure their future. The session, featuring estate planning professionals, aims to equip attendees with the clarity and confidence to make informed decisions about their financial legacy. The Heart Association also offers free online planning tools through Free Will, allowing anyone to create a legally binding will in just 20 minutes. Register at heart.org/plan for this informative webinar and take the first step towards protecting your loved ones and financial legacy.
Feds target Maryland ticket broker in alleged price gouging scheme. The Federal Trade Commission has filed a lawsuit against Maryland ticket reseller Key Investment Group, accusing the company of using fake accounts and other tactics to buy and resell hundreds of thousands of tickets for events like Taylor Swift's Eras Tour and Bruce Springsteen's 2023 shows. The FTC alleges that Key Investment Group violated the Better Online Ticket Sales Act by acquiring nearly 380,000 tickets and reselling them for a profit. This case marks a significant test of the 2016 law aimed at preventing scalpers from using automated software to manipulate ticket markets. FTC Chairman Andrew N. Ferguson emphasized the agency's dedication to protecting consumers from unfair ticket practices, stating that those who exploit fans through anti-competitive means will face consequences. Key Investment Group has denied the allegations, arguing that its actions were in line with industry standards. The lawsuit comes amidst increased government scrutiny of the live events industry, particularly regarding ticketing practices. The BOTS Act, passed in 2016, prohibits the use of automated tools to bypass ticket purchase limits, but enforcement has been limited until now.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.